Hello, plant lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of horticulture with a special focus on growing red roses. Now, roses are a universal symbol of love and beauty, and their vibrant red color is particularly popular. So let's get started. To grow a red rose from a bud, you'll need to follow these simple steps. 1. Choose the right spot. Red roses thrive in full sun, so make sure you pick a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. 2. Planting depth. Plant each rose bud about 2 to 3 inches deep in the soil, making sure it's level with the surrounding soil. 3. Watering. A regular watering schedule is crucial for your new rose bush. Make sure it gets watered deeply once or twice a week. 4. Fertilize regularly. Adding some fertilizer to your roses will help them grow stronger and more beautiful. Follow the instructions on the packaging for best results. 5. Pruning. Regular pruning will help your rose bush grow healthier and produce more flowers. Make sure to prune away any dead or damaged stems as well as any crossing branches during the growing season too. Promote better air circulation and encourage flowering stem growth. 6. Pest control. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids, spider mites, and thrips that can damage your roses. Treat with appropriate insecticides if necessary. 7. Patience. Growing roses can take time, usually between 1 to 2 years before you see your first blooms from these buds you planted today. Don't be discouraged though. With proper care, your red roses will be blooming beautifully in no time. Remember, growing plants is all about patience and consistency. If you have any questions or need help along the way, feel free to ask in the comments below or reach out via our website or social media channels for additional support or advice from fellow gardeners and experts in horticulture around the world. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening!